Hey guys, for this video, we are going to check out the Heat Edge Red Metallic Edition. Now let's see what's inside the box and let's get into it. Alright, so let's start. Let's open the box. Now let's first talk about the cowl. Now this is a red metallic color. So it's very shiny. So it comes with a spoiler here. And it's made from ABS material. Okay. Next, let's talk about the tires. Now this is a medium size slick tires. Okay. As you can see, this is not a super hard one. Okay. So next, let's talk about the rims. So also a medium size. Now let's check out the sides. And this is all narrow, perfect for speed. And it's a silver color, but it's not shiny. It's more like a matte finish. So next, alright, next let's talk about the chassis. Now this is an MA chassis, and it's a bit color gray, or what they call it, monocoque. I'm not sure if I said it right. So there you have it. So it's not really the black one. It's more of like a silver, more of a grayish color in person. Okay. So next, let's talk about the internals. So this is a color blue, and it comes with the battery cover, the motor cover, skid bar. We have the 30mm rollers, right? So the switch, the lock, and there you have it. Next, let's talk about this one. Now this pack includes a 3:5:1 gear ratio, a dual shaft stock motor. It also comes with some screws, nuts, washers, battery terminal. We have it here. Some Tamiya grease. What else? A wheel shaft. It also comes with the wheel shaft. Okay, and the pinion gear. Okay, and of course, it comes with the manual. And last but not the least, the decals to make your car look awesome.
Now this kit is available at the Autic Yarn and Hobby Studio in Marikina City. Visit us and experience a wonderful time building and playing with your Tamiya car. We have daily fun race, time attack, and monthly tournament. Track the out changes every month to make things challenging. I hope you learned something from this video. Stay safe and have fun racing.